Okay, Bob Gustin again. We're still dealing with this caliper here. I want to talk, and this is going to be rather short, but the care of this caliper. Now, this is a precision measuring tool. This is not to ever be used as a wrench. I've never seen that done, but this is not a wrench. Okay, this needs to be stored clean, lightly oiled, with a light sewing machine oil to keep the moving parts lubricated, but also needs to be kept dry. That's oil help protect it from moisture. And never store these with the jaws all the way closed. Always leave a little gap in here that allows air to get in there. Your oil will sit in there. If you close these up, you can get electrolysis action between the metal and it can pit the jaws. You also need, do not drop this under any circumstances. Do not store this in your hip pocket. Remember, it's your caliper. You're going to be using your caliper, not my caliper. If you put it in your hip pocket and you bend it like your steel rule, where you have a $6 steel rule, you're going to have about a $100 caliper, and that's $100 you just throw it away. When you close this up, and I don't have it here, but you would shine a light behind it, and you're looking to see if there's a gap here. Now, if there's any form of a gap here, these jaws are sprung. That's very bad. And what I didn't show you was, prior to that, I would have cleaned this jaw out. I'm going to stick a piece of paper in here, pull it down between there. That paper is going to clean this jaw. I would then put the two together. I'm not going to push, and again, we're going to get into force. I'll bring it up, I'll look at the zero, and what I notice here is this zero lines up with this zero. This caliper is now calibrated. This is very important. Your tools have to be calibrated. Machining majors, you're going to go to a place like Amarillo Gear. They're going to calibrate your tools. Your tools have to be calibrated, because if they are not to a standard, they're going to give them some goofy measurements, and we want to make sure that everything is done right. So calibration is a big thing. Cleanliness, calibration, care, and use of your tools. When you're loaning tools out, and I don't care if you do that amongst yourselves, but remember, your tools, your rules. Somebody's going to use your caliper for an ice pick. You might not want to loan it out to them. And with that, I'll conclude this video.